This video chart presentation of Full House Resorts. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker FLL. This chart came up in a volume scan today. Notice this is a pretty thinly traded stock in general, but yesterday volume surged 665,000 shares traded. That's the best day the stock has had in a year. Now there wasn't a whole lot of price movement, you can see, just closed up 0.3%. But with the chart being stuck in a channel now for over a month, I just want to see if that volume is a prelude to a larger move. So to that point, it's going to wrap the week up with FLL, see if it's got a breakout in it on Friday to move through this resistance at $2.80. That's a really nice look to the MACD, holding a nice uptrend, just now breaking through zero. All signs of a potentially bullish move coming. PPO ADX coming off a pinch, with the PPO trending back towards zero. ADX has definitely cooled off. Not much strength to a direction at this point. Registering right around 10. Very neutral reading from the DIs. It's just a pretty decent position for the ADX start to move upward and pick a direction and start adding some strength to it. Of course, the volume that came in, money flow index went rising fast. Now all three components back over top of 50. You can actually see from the accumulation distribution, stock price didn't go up a whole lot, but there was quite a bit of buying involved in that volume yesterday. It's also shown in the shake and money flow, which has been holding in the green ever since the stock's been channeling, saying that buying pressure has been outweighing selling pressure. Not getting a great deal from the CCI, but it is holding at 47, which says that the current price is above the 20-day mean. Full Stow, I'd say almost surprisingly, is up pretty high, showing there's a fair amount of momentum in the play, even though it's been trending sideways. And the tricks, again, like the MACD, trending upward, right around zero. As always, we're looking for that break of zero to indicate a bullish trend for the chart. Now the RSIs, they're just puttering right there around the middle. If I find anything positive in it, it is that they are holding over top of 50, which represents bullish momentum. But again, they're so close to 50, the momentum isn't super strong. Rather see them much higher, like through here when the stock made a much sharper move, rose over 10% off of this 270 support, up to hit 305. Notice challenging that 200-day moving average. Now I'm kind of going to look for the same sort of thing right through here. I want to see that support at 270 hold. And there's the channel right up to $2.80. That's essentially where the stock closed on Thursday. And as I mentioned, we just want to see if that volume was a hint this stock's going to try and break out. Now there's a chance it means nothing, that somebody just came in and started buying up some shares, and this channel will continue. I think it is worth noting as well that this is a big descending triangle, essentially right through this area, which is not by any means a bullish pattern. If this falls through the bottom side of this channel, there's a good chance it's going to come back down and test these lows around $2.60. And potentially break right through them and head lower. That's why I think that this chart's interesting, because we're definitely seeing signs of bullishness, even in long-term indicators like the MACD and this upward trend it's been putting together. It's kind of one of those make or break type of points. Is the MACD going to truly go bullish or not? Is it going to break out of this channel? Is it going to break through this trend line? Those sort of decisions seem to be imminent. Now, if it does break through, I'll certainly be watching this 200-day moving average as a source of dynamic resistance, and I'd be looking for static resistance right there at $3.05. Now, it's not a bad upside of about 10%, but in the broader picture, be wondering if this chart's going to finally reverse course, identify this as a bottom, and then try and uptrend from there going forward. Those are the type of things that I'll be looking for in the FLL chart, but as always, merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.